Welcome to Bree's Daily Drop-In. First of all, congratulations for taking this time out for your personal development today. It's not always easy to find this time in your busy schedule, so as you settle, congratulate yourself for being here. Find your place in your quiet zone, or somewhere that you're not going to be disturbed. And then as you get ready, just have a soft focus out in front. When you're ready, take a nice deep breath in. Sigh out your exhale and allow your eyes to fall shut. Continue breathing with a full, relaxed breath. With every exhale, feeling a warmth flow through your body from head to toe. This warmth, like a gentle barrier of safety, growing in strength with every exhale. Feeling the weight of your body on the surface below you, and noticing information as it comes to you, like sounds and smells and thoughts that cause your mind to wander. Allow these observations to come and go. Our thoughts are like the clouds moving in and out of our awareness. Simply observe these clouds as they come and go. Like the clouds in the sky, sometimes our thoughts are stormy and sometimes calm. This is perfectly normal. However, the more we focus on our stormy thoughts, the more the storm is likely to build. To help these unhelpful thoughts pass freely, we're going to give our mind something else to focus on and bring our attention to the breath. Because when we bring our attention to our breath, the storm will calm. Take a full breath in and breathe out gently. Allowing the feeling of safety and warmth to flow over you with each exhale. Even when your mind goes off on a tangent, gently catching it and bringing it back to your breath. There are many moments in our lives that signify change, whether big or small. We're constantly required to live with change, and often with change comes uncertainty. Take a deep breath in and allow the feeling of safety and warmth to flow over your body again. We are taught to believe that suppressing or blocking our worrying thoughts will make them go away, but in fact this is counterproductive. We learn to feel more comfortable with change and uncertainty when we acknowledge and welcome our fears. Take a deep breath in, and this time as you breathe out, slow your exhale down. So take some time now and focus on whatever change is occurring in your life that may be causing you unrest. welcome in all the thoughts and feelings you're having about this change. Acknowledge the fact that these thoughts have entered your mind, and that having these thoughts and feelings is completely normal. You want to notice them for what they are, simply thoughts and feelings. Then allow them the freedom to move on like a cloud passing by. To help this happen, we use our breath, which helps us relax and remain calm. So take a full breath in with all your attention on your breath. And as you breathe out, letting the slow exhale just fall from your body. Most change you're unable to control. So learning to be as relaxed as we can around this change and uncertainty helps with our progression forward and decision making. Keep bringing your attention to your breath. Breathe in and breathe out. With a sigh on your next exhale, feeling safety and security move through your body as your breath drifts through you from head to toe. Focus on the inward breath being full but easy, and the outward breath being slow and relaxing. Have your full attention on your breath and your body, and let waves of soothing comfort wash over you. Knowing that right here, in this moment, you are safe. Simply keep your focus on a long, slow exhale that will soothe your body, calm your mind, and plant you firmly in the safety of the present moment. Thoughts about change will inevitably re-enter your mind. And when dealing with an ever-changing world, this is perfectly normal. Like all other thoughts of pain, discomfort, happiness, or joy, with no invitation, they just appear. But now, as easily as they came, you're learning to let them pass. Watch your breath as you breathe in. Long, slow exhale, relaxing your body, calming your mind. We simply observe thoughts as they come and go. And when your mind wanders, remember that it's perfectly normal to have these thoughts. And just bring your attention back to your breath when you notice it's gone elsewhere. Holding your attention on the gentle flowing rhythm of your breath and allowing your body and mind to relax as you breathe out. Remembering that every exhale is an opportunity to plant yourself in the safety of the present moment. letting that feeling of safety and security wash over you from head to toe. Stay here, safe in this moment, focusing on your breath. A nice relaxed inhale and a slow relaxed exhale. In times of change and uncertainty, your slow, soothing breath will be your newfound friend. And have a sense that you're bringing this new skill back into your life. Where might it be useful for you to use this skill in your life at times when you need to feel safe and secure? Slowly start to bring your attention back to the space around you. Notice the weight of your body on the surface below you. Bringing more and more of your attention back to where you are. Noticing any sounds or activity that may be going on around you. Sigh your next exhale and bring your attention fully back to the room. Being grateful for the time you were able to dedicate to yourself. Understanding that change is an inevitable part of life we often have little choice over. But we do have the choice to either dwell on these thoughts or relax and allow them the freedom to move past. Learning that we can feel safe and secure in the present moment. In your own time, breathe in deeply. And as you breathe out, slowly open your eyes. Take some time in your quiet zone to appreciate that you have taken time for your practice today. Notice how you feel after taking this time out. Do you feel more equipped with a skill set to overcome change when it comes into your life now? With change being inevitable, now you can overcome it in a positive way. I hope you got value from this meditation. If you did, please drop a like on it and let us know in the comments what you thought of this meditation. Your feedback is greatly valued. If you subscribe to our channel, we'll bring you more meditations for everyday living that will help you manage the everyday stresses and strains of life. Go forward into your day with brightness, strength, and resilience, and have a fantastic day.